So what we are discussing, that the soldier himself is a writer of the chapter. What he was saying, it was my business to cross the bridge, explore the bridge head beyond, and find out to what point the enemy had advanced. At this and written over the bridge, there were not so many cars now, and very few people in a fort. But the old man was still there. Who was still there? Old man. He was still there. Where do you come from? I asked him. I asked. Who asked? The writer, or maybe we can say soldier. He asked, where do you come from? From San Carlos. He said and smiled. वो हंसा, थोड़ा सा दुखी, सॉरी, थोड़ा दुखी था. वो स्माइल, वो मुस्कुराया. उसने कहा और वो मुस्कुराया. That was his native town, so it gave him pleasure to mention it, and he smiled. जब भी हमारा कोई नेटिव टाउन या हम जहाँ पर रहते हैं, बर्थ जहाँ हुई है हमारी, हमसे कुछ पूछे तो हमें पूछे, हमको बड़ी खुशी होती है उसको बताते टाइम पे कि where we have taken the birth also. Got it? Is it clear? So in this chapter he was also laughing, very happy. I was taking care of animal, he explained. कह रहा कि मैं एनिमल्स की देखभाल करता हूँ. Oh, I said, not quite understanding. I was not able to understand, but I said okay. Yes, he said. I stayed, you see, taking care of animal. आपको पता है मैं रुका एनिमल्स की देखभाल करने के लिए. I was the last one to leave the town of San Carlos. मैं एक लास्ट पर्सन था जिसने सैन कार्लोस को छोड़ा. Okay. He did not look like a shepherd or horseman. कोई गरड़िया या हॉर्समैन की तरफ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था वो. And I looked at his black dusty clothes. मैंने उसके काले धूल से सने हुए कपड़े देखे. And his grey dusty face and his steel rimmed spectacles and said. उसके face, grey dusty face and steel rimmed, वो सब देखे. What animals were they? कि वो animals क्या थे? Various animals, बहुत से थे. He said and shook his head. I had to leave them. लेकिन मुझे उनको सबको छोड़ना पड़ा. Who was saying these words? The old man. What animals were they? I asked. There were 2 goats and a cat, and then there were 4 pairs of pigeons. 2 बकरी, एक cat और 4 pairs of pigeons, कबूतर. And you had to leave them? I asked. मैंने सोल्जर ने पूछा कि तुम्हें उनको छोड़ना पड़ा. Yes, because of artillery. गोलाबारी हो रही थी, है ना, बमबारी हो रही थी. That is why I had to leave them. The captain told me to go because of artillery. Where? The old man was replying to the soldier. The captain who is there, he told me that you have to leave this place because of the artillery. बमबारी हो रही है ना, तोप चल रही है, तो आपको यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा. And you have no family? I asked. The soldier asked this question to the old man कि क्या तुम्हारी परिवार नहीं है? You have no family? I asked. Watching the far end of the bridge where a few last carts were heading down to the slope of the bank. और ये बोलते हुए मैं वॉच कर रहा था ब्रिज को. कुछ गाड़ियां वहां बची हुई थी, वो क्रॉस कर रही थी ब्रिज को. No, he said, only the animals. मेरी कोई फैमिली नहीं है. Only I have animals. The cat, of course, will be all right. A cat can look out for itself. कह रहा कि cat, I am not worried about the cat. क्योंकि cat एक ऐसे जानवर होती है, बिल्ली जो होती है, वो that is very clever, बहुत चालाक होती है, वो अपनी देखभाल खुद कर सकती है. But I cannot think what will become of others. लेकिन मैं ये नहीं सोचता कि दूसरों के साथ क्या होगा. दूसरे बोले तो pigeons हैं, goat है, वो. What politics have you? I asked. मैंने पूछा तुम्हारी क्या politics है, किसमें हो तुम लोग? I am without politics. He said. The old man said कि I am not having any politics. मैं किसी पार्टी में नहीं हूँ या कोई मेरी कोई वो नहीं है जगह. He said, I am a 76-year-old. How many year old? 76-year-old person. I have come 12 kilometers now. और कितनी किलोमीटर से दौड़ चल के आया वो? 12 kilometers. And I think now I can go no further. And I am tired now, exhausted now because of the journey. Because he walking continuously since 12 from 12 kilometers. That is why he was saying that I am totally tired. I would not move any further. This is not a good place to stop. The soldier said to him, the writer said to him, this is not a good place for you that you should stop here. If you can make it, there are tracks up the road where it forks the Tortosa. अगर तुम चाहते हो तो ट्रक्स जा रहे हैं और इनमें से एक ट्रक जो है ये टोरटोसा जो जगह है उसकी तरफ मुड़ेगा. You can take lift from them. Who was saying these words? The soldier was saying these words to old man. I will wait a while, he said. उसने कहा मैं वेट करूंगा. And then I will go. और तब उसके बाद मैं जाऊंगा. Where do the truck go? ट्रक कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where do the truck go? Towards Barcelona. I told him. किसकी तरफ? Barcelona की तरफ. I told him the trucks are moving towards Barcelona. I know of no one in the direction, he said, but thank you very much. Thank you again very much. कह रहा old man कह रहा है कि I know the people from Barcelona, but I'm just saying you thank you very much. You have told me about this. He looked at me very blankly, सुना, and tiredly, थका हुआ, then said, having to share his worry with someone, जैसे कि वो अपनी चिंता किसी के सामने शेयर कर रहा है. And who was there? I was present there. Means the soldier, the writer of the chapter was present there. The face of the old man looks worried, and it looks that he wanted to share his problems. The cat will be all right. Again he was repeating, the cat that can take care of itself. I am sure there is no need to be unquiet about the cat. Cat के बारे में चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, because that cat is a very sharp type of animal that can take care of itself. But the others, now what do you think about the others? लेकिन दूसरे उनके बारे में क्या करें? ये एक प्रकार का डायरेक्टली एक व्यंग्य था लड़ाइयों पे कि इन जानवरों ने क्या बिगाड़ा है लोगों का, इन पक्षियों ने क्या बिगाड़ा है. Why they all probably come through it all right? The soldier asked him कि वो भी कहीं ना कहीं से निकल आएंगे, बच जाएंगे. Why are you worried? You think so? The old man said to the soldier कि तुम सोच सकते हो ऐसा? You think so? Why not? I said, watching the far bank where now there were no cars. और मैं बोल भी रहा था, बातें भी कर रहा था उसको, और किनारे की तरफ जो होता ना उसकी तरफ देख भी रहा था कि कितनी गाड़ियां चली गई, कितनी गाड़ियां आ गई. But what will they do under the artillery when I was told to leave because of the artillery? When the officer, old man was saying to the officer that when the officer told me to leave the place because of the artillery, what will they do in the artillery? वो artillery में क्या करेंगे? Artillery मतलब जो तोप से गोलियां वगैरह, गोले वगैरह बरसाते जाते हैं ना वहाँ पे. Did you leave the door case unlocked? क्या आपने वो केज था वो अनलॉक किया? किसने बोला? I asked the writer, the captain, the soldier asked him कि जो केज था वो पक्षियों का तुमने वो अनलॉक छोड़ा? Yes. The old man replied, yes. Then they will fly. Then the writer said they would fly. Yes, certainly they will fly. But the others, it is better not to think about the others, he said. अब कह रहा है कि pigeons can fly. Pigeons उड़ सकते हैं. But what the others who cannot fly? उनके बारे में सोचो जो उड़ नहीं सकते. What would happen with them? If you are arrested, I would go. I asked. Get up and try to walk now. If you are arrested, I would go. आपने रेस्ट कर लिया तो निकलो. Get up and try to walk now. खड़े हो जाओ और चलने की तैयारी करो. Who said? The writer. Got it? Thank you, he said and got to his feet. वो thank you बोला, अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हुआ, swayed from side to side and then sat down backwards in the dust. साइड टू साइड चलता गया और डस्ट के अंदर बैकवर्ड, और डस्ट के अंदर जाके बैठ गया. सेट डाउन मतलब था बैठ जाना। आई वॉज ओनली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एनिमल ही सेड डली, बेचारा अभी भी चिंता कर रहा है, बूढ़ा आदमी जो है वो कह रहा है कि मैं तो केवल एनिमल्स की देखभाल कर रहा था। बट नो लॉन्गर टू मी, आई वॉज ओनली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एनिमल्स, बट मेरे से नहीं कर रहा था, वो बस बैठा था, वो गुनगुना रहा था कि मैं तो एनिमल्स की केयर कर रहा था। देयर वॉज नथिंग टू डू विद अबाउट हिम, इट वॉज ईस्टर संडे। एक कहते हैं कि ईस्टर संडे जो होता है उस पर उनका एक कोई वो होता है, क्रिसमस से रिलेटेड कुछ है ऐसा। एंड द फासिस्ट वर एडवेंसिंग टुवर्ड द इब्रो, फासिस्ट जो थे ना वो इब्रो की तरफ बढ़ रहे थे। इट वॉज ए ग्रेव और कास्ट डे विद a low ceiling, so their planes were not up, और उनके जो प्लेन्स थे, जो जहाज थे उनके, लड़ाकू विमान, वो ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं थे। That and the fact that the cats now know how to look after themselves while the, कह रहा, दोबारा बोल रहा है कि फैक्ट ये है कि जो कैट्स हैं यानी क्लेवर पीपल हैं, दैट कैन बी टेक केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स, बट all the good luck that old man would ever have, and I wish him all the good luck to the old man who had ever have. So that was the chapter which I have explained you. In this chapter what we have learned that कि जो युद्ध होता है, this is also we can say ruin all the things, not the single person, चाहे वो बर्ड हो, चाहे वो जानवर हो, या मतलब कुछ भी हो, इन सबको नष्ट कर देता है वो युद्ध। तो इस चैप्टर में हमने यही पढ़ा कि ये बहुत छोटा चैप्टर है, ओके ना। सो I have explained you about the author of the chapter, I have explained you about the